So in this RBC Mobile app tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to apply for a line of credit on the RBC Mobile application. So once you open up RBC, I want you to go to the bottom right and press on more. Once you're here, I want you to scroll down to where it says open an account under products and press on that. Once you're here, 5 options down it says loans and lines of credit, borrow money, and manage cash flow. Press on that. So once you're on this page right here, what it's going to be doing is giving you a little bit more information about how to apply for a line of credit. So it says apply for a line of credit or loan. Speak with a credit specialist today to find out more and start your application. A credit specialist can help answer your questions, find the credit solution, complete your application, and get your answer sooner. So if all looks good and you want to apply for a line of credit, you actually have to press on book an appointment right here. It'll then bring you to the Contact Us page where you can call now, schedule a call, book an appointment, and then talk about applying for a line of credit that way. So pick whatever one's right for you and proceed that way. So very simple, very straightforward. Once again, go to more, products, open an account, loans and lines of credit, and then follow this way. So that's how you guys can apply for a line of credit on the RBC mobile app. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.